Sebolina and you are watching English Guidance.
Congratulations to all ISC and ICSE students. 2020 results to be declared on 10th June. You can directly get the result and the notice of your result from the official website www.cisce.org or www.results.cisce.org. Result of Class 10 ICSE and Class 12 ISC Year 2020 examinations will be declared on Friday, 10th July 2020 at 3 p.m. You can get the results through the career portals of the Council, the website of the Council, and through SMS. In case of any doubt, the schools can contact the CISCE help desk. To get SMS on Council's website, the steps are already mentioned in the notice. And to get the result through SMS, the steps are already mentioned in the notice also. So kindly visit the official website to get all the detailed updates minutely. The Council has made a provision for the candidates to apply for recheck directly through the Council's website www.cisce.org. Please note that recheck will be conducted only for those subjects for which the written examinations have been taken place. Kindly note that from the ICSE and ISC Year 2020 examinations onward, the recheck charges of ICSE will be Rs 1000 per paper and for ISC will be Rs 1000 per subject. In addition, the provision of applying for recheck of the results by the head of the school can also be done through the careers portal site. The online module for submitting the request for recheck of the results will remain open for only 7 days. From the day of the declaration of the result from 10th July 2020 till 16th July 2020. The result will be displayed in the following format. At first, your full name in capital letter, then ENG means English. Both English 1 and English 2 will be added and in total the number will be mentioned. HIN means Hindi. If you are Bengali, then BEN. HCG means history and geography together. MAT means mathematics. SCI means physics, chemistry, biology together. CTA computer. SUPW gradation at last. PCA means pass certificate awarded and PCNA that means pass certificate not awarded.